Imagine living in a place that pronounces that all men and women are created equal. Put yourself in the shoes of the parents of these students having to travel 2 to 3 times as far to get to school, all because of the color of their skin. Outraged by this hypocrisy and discrimination, many individuals spoke up. From 1951 to 1954, a group of African American parents, organized by the NAACP and an African American lawyer named Thurgood Marshall, engaged in a legal battle to advocate for equal opportunities for African American students within the Topeka, Kansas school system. This legal battle made it all the way to the United States Supreme Court. In writing the court's decision, issued May 17, 1954, Chief Justice Earl Warren stated that in the field of public education, the doctrine of separate but equal has no place, but or because segregated schools are inherently unequal. The decision held that the plaintiffs were in fact deprived of equal protection of the laws guaranteed by the 14th Amendment. It took more than 20 years for most schools in the South to desegregate. Nonetheless, Brown was the critical first step. It is widely regarded as one of the greatest decisions in the Supreme Court's history.